Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we are diving deep into the continuation of the world of creativity with Canva. Whether you are a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of mastering Canva's feature. Understanding basic templates. With a solid grasp of Canva's design creation methods, let us move on to exploring the rich landscape of basic templates. This step is crucial in broadening your creative horizons, as it unveils a vast array of pre-designed templates organized by categories. Follow along to discover the multitude of options awaiting your artistic touch. Step number 1. Exploring categories. Canva simplifies your creative journey by categorizing templates into sections such as documents, whiteboards, presentations, and more. Each category serves as a curated collection, offering specialized templates tailored to specific needs. For instance, if you are working on a business presentation, head to the presentations category to find templates optimized for this purpose. Take your time to explore these categories, as they act as your roadmap through the expansive world of design possibilities with Canva. Whether you are crafting a formal document or visually engaging whiteboard presentation, there is a category to guide you. Step number 2. Unveiling the More section. But wait, there is more. The More section is your gateway to an even broader spectrum of creative possibilities. Here, Canva opens up a treasure trove of templates that go beyond the conventional. Delve into templates for infographics, where data meets design brilliance. Explore options for photo collage, allowing you to weave a visual narrative with your images. Looking to personalize your digital space? The More section extends its offerings to include templates for desktop wallpapers, allowing you to infuse your workspace with a touch of creativity. Dive into graph templates for visually compelling data representation, or explore options for designing book covers that captivate readers from the first glance. Step number 3. Beyond the ordinary. As you navigate through the More section, you will realize that Canva transcends the ordinary, offering templates for a myriad of purposes. Whether you are designing social media posts, crafting visually appealing resumes, or conceptualizing promotional materials, Canva's template diversity ensures you find the perfect starting point for every project. This step not only enhances your familiarity with Canva's template system, but also encourages you to think outside the box. The templates act as a springboard for your creativity, providing a foundation that you can build upon and customize according to your unique vision. By understanding the wealth of basic templates at your disposal, you are not just accessing designs, you are tapping into a reservoir of inspiration. In the upcoming steps, we will explore the editor's tools to help you refine and personalize these templates to make them distinctly yours. So, let us continue this creative journey and unlock the full potential of Canva. Navigating projects and templates. As your repertoire of designs grows, it is time to delve into the organizational prowess that Canva offers. In this step, we will explore the intricacies of navigating projects and templates, ensuring that your creative endeavors remain streamlined and easily accessible. Step number 1. Organizing your creative universe. Canva understands that creativity can sometimes border or in chaos. That's where the projects and templates sections come into play. These are your virtual filing cabinets, allowing you to bring order to the creative universe you are building within Canva. Start by understanding the distinction between projects and templates. Projects house your ongoing or completed designs, providing a visual timeline of your creative journey. Templates, on the other hand, are the blueprints, the starting points that you can use and reuse for various projects. Step number 2. Managing projects. Navigate to the projects section and witness a visual representation of your design timeline. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of your creations, making it easy to track your progress and revisit previous designs. This feature is particularly handy when you are working on multiple projects simultaneously or want to review your creative evolution over time. Consider creating folders within the projects to further categorize and organize your work. Group similar projects together, whether they revolve around a specific theme, client, or personal interest. This organization not only enhances efficiency, but also serves as a visual catalog of your creative prowess. Step number 3. Harnessing the power of templates. Templates are your design foundations, the starting points that set the tone for your creative endeavors. The templates section allows you to explore and manage these design blueprints. Here, you can save your favorite templates, ensuring quick access whenever inspiration strikes. Consider organizing your templates based on project types or themes. This way, when you embark on a new design venture, you can easily sift through your template library and find the perfect starting point. Step number 4. The art of versioning. Ever find yourself torn between different design directions? Canva's versioning feature comes to the rescue. Create multiple versions of a project to explore different designs iterations without losing your original work. This allows you to experiment freely, compare variations, and ultimately choose the designs that resonate most with your vision. By mastering the art of navigating projects and templates, you are not just managing files, you are curating a visual diary of your creative journey. As we progress through this tutorial, we will dive deeper into the editor's functionalities, empowering you to refine and elevate your designs further. So, let us continue on revealing the intricacies of Canva and enhancing your creative toolkit. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master Canva's feature, a step-by-step design tutorial for beginners part 3. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.